Hello. I'm wait na bye-bye, okay? Bye. Wala lang daw.
Ako na yun.
I am Vladimir. The hell?
Hello.
Another man. That's salty sauce. Beautiful sauce.
Torte.
I'll take a video of you, Daddy.
He loves Melanie. Very much. He kissed Tamay yesterday. Specifically the body.
Really? Where we know?
In the cheeks. Or maybe in the lips.
Daddy, I am not your video, what you call it? Not good at video. Video Jenny. I don't know what you call it. Okay, we are eating that.
I'm not kasuya, ha?
Be tempted.
Wow. 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 We are in Ayala. Look at the Joel in your face, Joel.
I'm hot.
Joel, bigaon ka. Sige, lubot ni Joel. Ni sabar ka ng Koreana, mo lubton. Bukuran ni mo eh. Sige, tayo hapit. Lubot ka. Lubot tinga na lang. Sige, tayo hapit.
Lakupal.
Ako pa na ako ilubon.
What the hell?
Okay. Lami.
Oh, delivery.
Oh my God!
Melanie, I love you.
Umabot kayo si Melanie dire. Enzo, well, hide in the tissue.
Tamay.
Where's the mic? What about the mic? It's just pretty.
Why?
And yesterday she wore a mini skirt.
Was it nice, Lawrence?
At Enzo. Usually on
Wow, and you, Lawrence, how many times?
Huh?
Sige na ano?
Ay, naman ka ba? Enzo ba na?
Wait, this is the right way of counting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not like that, ha? It's like that,
Look at this
okay?
eyeliner. Huh?
It's pretty. I bet Lawrence can do that.
Yeah.
Out there, huh?
Okay. Oh my God. It burned my eyes.
Okay. Nothing to say about the line, nothing, Laura.
Testing my mama yan.
Melanie, you're so hot, Melanie. I hope, Melanie, you'll be more hotter so I can think of you more hotter yet. You're the hotter yet girl.
Enzo, that's wrong grammar. It's not hotter yes. It's happy ass. Wala. Enzo, Jola, in your face, nakalaag lagi ko. Biatch.
So how you can tell?
Are you sure that's recorded? It's so long lagi.
Okay. Like 3 minutes.
Is it live or what? No. Lick me. No.
Tomorrow, end this now?
End it. I'm gonna eat my french fries,
Take
okay?
care and be a good girl. Don't touch other boys now.
Don't touch the verse. Wow.